Welcome, guys. This is August 8th, 2021. We're going to be doing our Hawaii Trading Academy weekly watch list. The point for this is to help you guys see what we're seeing in the markets, potential trade setups, trades we're currently in, letting it run, and just the overall sentiment of the market. So we're going to go jump in and share my screen. USD. Last week I was attempting to get long. I got stopped out. Now, with the confirmation of this long daily bar close, along with a short opening, I flipped my bias to short, opened up a position there. Another market I was looking at is the Euro pound. So you can see it was just ranging since March. Beginning of March. Finally, we got a close below the previous low. So that's looking like a confirmation to go short in this market as well. I might be looking to open up a position there. I think pound, euro, yen, I was looking at, it was making its move to go short, popped up, went sideways a little bit. Something to be monitoring for now. So an odd dollar, I don't know if odd dollar, you could see it was making its way going short, overall downtrend, but we've been going a little bit of sideways and it's slowly creeping up until Friday at a lower close and then followed by today's opening. So want to watch that, see if it breaks through and gives us another cue to go short. What was the other one I was looking at? It was Euro USD, USD yen. No, that right now I'm on the sidelines for USD yen. But let's jump to the Forex. I mean the futures markets today. S&P, I got two positions on the S&P. Let me go delete these drawings. Okay, daily bar. We broke new high. We closed at a new high on Friday. Good indication that the market is going long. So when you're making new highs consistently, stay long, guys. So this one, I got two positions. I am just managing my risk, even though today, if we open up at an hour, nice pullback from the opening on Sunday. So a lot of my profits it's paper profits, hasn't been locked in yet, but this is part of managing your risk of watching your profits go down, well, paper profits, and then sticking with your plan. Okay, so I had that running, and then I had a position M and Q. Of course, M and Q was moving a little bit more quicker than the S&P, so I did limit. I had two positions long, and I did limit my risk. So I just peeled off one, and then I'm letting my other last position run till it's full stop. And so I got those cooking. Gold, I just noticed this. Look at this, man. Dang, something's going on with the metals. So on the daily, it ranged. I mean, it started to move up, pop down, and then we touched this low. It was a low back in March. We touched this low, 1680. Price popped up to 1720. So this is what volatility looks like, right? Be prepared. You want to be able to withstand these crazy moves. Bitcoin, guys, officially long. Look, I drew some fib levels. So, so
You know,
fib
it's
levels.
serious.
Yeah, we gotta close. We'll put this on the side. Let me put the fib on the side and just talk about price. Okay, so previous high was 40,000, and I was saying once we close above 40,000, the direction will be long. pulled back a little bit to 38, and now we had a gap up. We closed on, this is the Bitcoin futures market closed on 42.9 or 42, yeah. And then we gapped up, had to open at 43,400. So good indication of strength here, guys. Like I said, I drew a fib level, and that pullback was right at the 50% level, and it hit the target. So I'm looking for another pullback to maybe 39,000. Let me just draw another one, sorry. Or what was it? Put that down. So I'm looking for a pullback of 39,000, and then that'll be a level to add positions if you have a crypto portfolio. As far as that, another thing I want to look at was QG. This is the another commodities market. Natural gas. Natural gas has been on a nice move. Started back in May and is just beautiful. So I'm not currently in this trade, but it is a trending market, and I always take note of those. And trends, you stay in the trend until it bends, and there's a good potential that trends will reverse. So that might be a move to catch on the way down. We'll see. So definitely.
Right. Nice, Glenn. Yeah, Bitcoin's moving nice. I'll go over that one after. But yeah, cool. Good week. Or looking like it's shaping up to be a good week. So, all right, cool. So we have, let me move that to the side. So I'm looking at odd dollar short, odd USD. It's broken below my EMA level. It's created a nice corrective pattern, and it just gapped down. Didn't gap, but like price straight dropped as soon as the market opened today. So I just want a little bit more corrective nature here to show a solid formation, but it did break out of my ascending channel here, and an ascending channel after a down move is usually for me a high probability bear setup. So I'll just kind of make it a little more clear for everyone. So we had a bear run, corrective pullback, and then it just continued going down. So it's a bear corrective nature. And then it created this ascending channel. And with my just my strategy probabilities is that it'll continue short. So that's what I'm looking at for odd dollar. So I'm not in this trade just yet, but euro dollar I am in. So that also gives me another sign to like kind of peel off and wait for any of these odd dollar, because I've highlighted odd dollar short, euro dollar, pound dollar, and Kiwi dollar. The thing is that they're all correlated pairs with the USD, so I want to just be careful my market exposure. But I am good. I've with my stop loss for euro dollar here, very similar setup, broke below the EMAs, corrected, created, I got in this tight ascending channel, and then it broke down. And I've just been holding it through the weekend since August 5th. And so just waiting for this to continue down, or like Glenn says, you know, wait until the trend bends. And so we're just holding on to that one, moving on to pound dollar. Pound dollar, another one showing the same bear movement, but it's a little less clear for me because this is the opposite. So it did a bull run here, and now it's making a descending channel, and it's basically the opposite of what I was saying with odd dollar. When price does this for me and it creates like this descending channel or descending flag, it has the probability to go up. So I just want to be wary of that. I'd rather stay out of pound dollar, but again, like as far as a technical standpoint, I like how it's shaping up with the 1 hour and 4 hour, and even the daily. It closed very strong last week below the EMA, and it's could be finally coming back down, continuing the overall bear trend, which is dropped here, went down, did a pullback, created a lower high, and then it could continue down. So that's that. And finally, Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi dollar is cleaner than pound dollar. However, odd dollar is cleaner than pound dollar and Kiwi dollar. So odd dollar is the cleanest pair for my type of setup, but I am watching Kiwi dollar. And then last but not least is dollar yen long. If this could sustain itself and there's no steep pullback, I would like to get in a long position somewhere around this area, or even just a slight pullback. So something like this, you know, just corrects like this, and it's creating some type of minor descending nature, not a huge descending nature, but a minor one like this, then I'm going to create a long position here, hopefully, or get into a long position if the market provides opportunity. Moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin moved so nicely this last week. So I went long around June at 40,000, and it just kept correcting downward and downward, but it didn't break below 28,000, and it stayed within this range. Like for weeks now, we've been talking about how it just stayed in this range. We're waiting either for it to collapse completely or pull back, and right now it is pulling back into the green. And as like Glenn said, a good time to buy, I would say, is a pullback on the 4-hour here for myself, and then I would actually add like a couple $100 to this position. Nothing too crazy, but I like to be invested into Bitcoin, or at least crypto market. So just a couple $100 here or there is okay for my risk tolerance. But other than that, that's all I got, Glenn.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I like it. I like the setups, man. Lots of good potential moves. To kick off this month. It's the second week of August, man. First week just flew by already, man. So
Flew by, man. Yeah,
definitely. Topic Tuesdays, we are branching into another big topic. We're gonna be talking about the trading mindset, the yin and yang of trading since trading habits. So join us Tuesday, 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time, guys. DM us for the link if you don't have it. If you're on our email list, we're going to be sending you the email invite. Look out for that. But definitely, that's something you guys don't want to miss, man. So stay tuned for that.
Trading yin and yang. Yes. Looking forward to this topic.
Awesome. So you guys have an awesome, safe trading week. Look forward to your success. Reach out to us if you have any questions. Aloha.
Aloha.